Next to our exterior Molle panels, we also developed a full set of interior Molle panels for your Grenadier. It's a strong base for Molle bags, but also our SeaLand Pro accessories. You can clip them off and you see you have your little push buttons here, but the pattern is also available for standard Molle size. These little holes allow you to put some rubber straps around so nothing can wobble around while you are driving off-road. And we also incorporated some airline track accessories, for example, if you want to attach an exterior shower, and we have the same here on the other side. If you want to attach an exterior shower, for example, that's great. Some of our customers enjoy if they have like a little camera going out, if they want some shots of their campsite, for example. Yeah, all of that made of strong aluminum here in the USA. There are no drilling no drilling of holes required. We are basically squeezing everything into the factory OEM trim, and that makes it a very strong and sturdy connecting point for all your gear.